Hello friends, today I am going to do the unboxing of Mi Max. Before opening the box, let me show you quickly the specs written on the box. So here you can see Mi Max has 6.44-inch display, full HD display, which is quite big, but if you love big phone then you're gonna love it. Next we have Snapdragon 650 hexa-core 1.8 GHz, which gives you a high-end user experience. Talking about the body, it has a metal body which gives you a premium look. Next we have a large battery of 4850 mAh. I'm sure which will last for 2 days at least. Next we have here 16 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera, which is quite enough for your day-to-day photography. And additionally we have fingerprint sensor also to detect your fingerprint. Okay, now let's open the box and let's see what we have got inside the box. Here is your handset, and inside that this is the manual we have got, and the SIM tray pin also. Inside that we have got a charger, a normal charger. Along with that we have got a USB cable. Okay, now let me switch on the phone. So you can see the design of the phone is quite elegant. The metal finish gives a premium look, a shiny premium look. In the back we have got 16 megapixel camera and dual tone LED, and in the middle there is a fingerprint sensor also. In the right side, this is the power button and the volume buttons. At the bottom you have speakers and charging USB. At the top 3.5 mm headphone jack and IR, that is for TV remote, you can use it. Okay, now I'm going to skip the setup part. Okay, let's see now what we have got inside the phone. As we can see, the model name is Mi Max and it is running on Android version 6.01. The next, it has MIUI version 7, though you can upgrade it to MIUI 8, which is available. Next, it has CPU of hexa-core, maximum 1.8 GHz, which is quite nice clock speed. Next, it has RAM of 3 GB. Internal memory we have got 32 GB, but out of which only 24.85 GB is available, which is enough. The detailed review and Antutu ranking I will be giving you on my next video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
For more videos, subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit like and share this video.